Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Jobber for your auto detailing business. So whether you're doing home service detailing or operating from a shop, so if you want to manage bookings, organize clients, and get paid faster, so this tool can seriously level up your business. Okay, so first thing that you should do is you have to create your Jobber account. Okay, so just have to search for Jobber. That's right. And then you have this first website, so you just have to tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to see here the start free trial options. You just have to tap on it, and then after that, you just have to sign up for an account. So after creating your account, you will be directed here to your dashboard. Okay, so again, Jobber is an all in one business app that helps you manage your customers, schedule detailing jobs, send your codes and invoices, and track your daily work. So think of it as your assistant for running your detailing business smoothly. So first, once you're here inside your dashboard, is you have to add your client or clients. So tap on the clients option. And then you'd be able to see here the number of your clients. So tap on the new client option at the top right. And then you just have to add here the details of your new client. So first is their primary contact details. And then the next one is a property address. So just enter the primary service address, billing address, or any additional locations where services may take place. And then after that, you just have to tap on the save client option. Okay, so you can also add notes like car type, like SUV, sedan, etc., service history, or special request. So this helps you personalize your service every time. Next one is to create detailing packages. So just have to create your services or packages. So example, basic wash, interior detailing, full detail package, engine bay cleaning, and then just add the service. Okay, so you just have to go here to the code section. That's right. So just create a new code and then tap on create a new code. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to name this one as basic wash. That's right. Okay. And then you just have to select your client. And then you just have to add here the product and the service. Okay. So you just have to add those right here. And then after that, you just have to set your pricing, save it as a template if you want to, and this makes coding faster and more consistent. The next one is to schedule appointments. So once the client books, you just have to go to your calendars. So just go to the schedule section. Okay, and then you just have to schedule the job. So for example, we are going to schedule our job right here. So just tap on new job, and then you just have to assign it to yourself or to your team. So you just have to give this job a title, select your client, and then you have here the schedule. Okay, and then for auto detailing, you can set time slots like 2 to 3 hours per car. Avoid overbooking and plan mobile routes. So every time stays organized, and especially on busy days. Next one is to view the job details on site. So when it is time for the job, you just have to open the Jobber application on your mobile device and then tap the scheduled task, and you'll see the client location, selected package, and special instructions. So no more asking the client again, everything is already there. Next one is to complete the job. So once the job is done, you just have to go here to your job section, and you can now add notes like condition of the car, extra services done, and recommendations. So this builds trust and helps with repeat customers. Okay, so next is to send your invoice and get paid, of course. So just go to the invoices section. That's right. And then you just have to review services, send via email or SMS. So clients can pay online, making the process quick and easy. You can also send automatic reminders for unpaid invoices. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.